Hey y'all, SW2099 here, and this week's mod is for all you builders out there looking for something a little different. It's called the SW2099-Steel Bundle, and it's a collection of new steel buildables that will give your base a whole new look. Now usually about this time we're headed outside to my testing area, but today we're already outside, a testing facility that I've got in the desert biome of sticks. So let's get to it, see what this thing does. Now the steel bundle bench, that's what you want to call it, once placed down, rotates like any other bench, so it fits inside your base or your workshop. And this is it in front of me here. Can be created on the person for free on your character, and it made it look more like extra pieces that are actually in the bundle, just smaller, so that it looks like a bunch of scraps laying over in a corner somewhere. So let's take a look and see what's inside. You've got the SW2099 steel floors, the steel walls, a collection of those, different steel structures, roof pieces, concrete door, glass window, heavy, concrete railing, and a concrete railing gate. Now I've already got a few of these on my hotbar down below, so let's take a look and see what's in each one of those. So first of all, we've got the steel structure. The steel structure consists of a steel frame, a diagonal beam, a horizontal beam, and the vertical beam. The next we'll move on to the floors. The floors, we have a beveled floor, a steel tiled floor, and a smooth floor. The walls consist of a door frame, the window frame, the solid wall, the right angle and the left angle wall pieces. And as for the roof, we have the slanted roof, the right angle, and the left angle of the roof. So I've got a few of these laid out already, so let's take a look at those. As you can see here, this is the steel frame. And then we've got our vertical beam, our horizontal beam, and the diagonal beam here. Now each one of these are capped off, so I did close the ends of those. Now if we move over here to our different floors, we have the smooth floor, which as you can see, once it's together, it looks like one solid piece. The beveled floor, which each of the ends are beveled here. So you've got those, and then the tile, which is the beveled floor split in half. So that gives you the illusion of three different floors. Now as for the walls over here, the wall is a double-sided wall, with it is indented on one side, and then it is raised on the other side. So you've got the solid wall, the door frame, the window frame, the left wall, the right wall, and then we'll move over to the roofs. So you've got the slanted roof, the right roof, and the left roof. So let's go over and see what we've got. I got a few set up over here for you guys so we can take a look at it. Alright, so here we go. We basically got a setup of all the different pieces put together to form an actual structure, so you guys can take a look and see what it looks like. Now on the roofs, I did do an overlap. So in the game, the roofs actually do not overlap, and I wanted to make sure I had that on my new buildables. And as you can see, the steel rails, the concrete doors, and the heavy windows. And I've got the tiled floor out front and the beveled up on top. I have set up a few more over here for us to see what they look like with the other buildable structures in the game. There's the left and right side walls, so you can get an idea of what they look like. And as you can see, we're set up on concrete, set up on stone. We have the clay brick, my favorite, which is the stone brick, and the new texture of the sandworm that is out now. And that's going to be it, guys. That's the SW2099 Steel Bundle. Get back over here for you. So, whether you're building a new base or trying to get something set up in a new workshop, that's basically all you got. So, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You can find it out on my GitHub page or Jim K's Icarus Mod Manager if you're using that. And that's going to be it. I'm going to try to release a new mod and video each week with something new. So until then, stay safe, build smart, and I'll see you next time.